In this video, I'll show you how to check message history in Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for you to be able to check message history on Discord, you need to join up a Discord community, right? And for you to achieve that, once you have joined the Discord community up, you're going to scroll up, right? You can see the different messages that has been dropped right here, even before I joined up this server, right? So if you keep on moving up, you'd meet the first message, right? Welcome to Nezo's announcement channel. This is where you can find an announcement and news related to Nezo's work, right? So this is how you can check messages in Discord. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.